All right, hi, I'm Mrs. Robertson. I'm going to be taking you guys through Spanish 2 and how it works in Apex since Senora C is out on maternity leave. So you'll see on my screen here, this is Apex Learning. This is what students will be using in order to access their Spanish curriculum. So I've logged in from a student view. So as a parent, I would encourage you to have your students log on and show you their Apex dashboard. This is going to be the most useful thing for you in terms of knowing what your students should be doing on days that they're not actively in the building. So you can see here, I'm in as Jody Robertson. Jody Robertson is not doing very well in Spanish. She has 6 overdue activities. She hasn't made any progress in this class, and she doesn't have a grade because she hasn't actually done anything in the course. Um, if you go to the calendar right here, you can actually see when different assignments are due. You can see some of the assignments that I've missed along the way earlier in the calendar. So if I'm a student, I go in here, I click on Spanish 2, and from there it's pretty straightforward because I'm just going to start working through unit by unit. I click open a unit, I hit start, and then I can basically go through. There's elements to study, and I need to make sure I spend some time studying all of these before I take the quiz. If students keep failing their quizzes, it's probably because they're struggling to do the studying that's leading up to the quiz. So really, other than that and having familiarity with the dashboard, that for a parent is really the top thing you can do. If you'd like to get a weekly report, you can also email myself or Mrs. Nickel, the guidance counselor, and we can add you in as a coach, and then you can get a weekly email that tells you how they're doing. Some of you, I believe, already have that capacity. So that's kind of the ins and outs of Spanish 2. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.